We're going to show you how to read the manufacturer's secret code to tell when this fishing line was made. Whether you buy it or find it in your garage, it's important to know how old the fishing line is. So here on this label you see it says D-8-21-3. D821-3. So for the D, you just match the letter with the month. So in this case, D stands for April, 8 is the day of the month, and 21 is the year, 2021. And the last number 3 is for the shift that it was run on, the third shift at the manufacturer. Let's look at another one. Here on this Berkeley Trilene Big Gain, we see the letter F122-2. So the F stands for June. So this fishing line was made in the month of June on the first day in the year 2022 on the second shift. Let's see when this 50-pound blaze orange was made. Okay, here we got G824-2. So the G stands for July. So this fishing line was made on July 8th, 2024 on the second shift. Let's take a look at this Berkeley braid. Here it says I-25-24-1. So the I is for September. So this was made September 25th, 2024 on the first shift. Follow for more cool videos.